Good morning, everyone. Sorry. So, the video sequence that you saw just now is where I'm staying, and I'm all ready and set to leave for Srivardhan. So, so this is my last day of the trip, and I want to make most out of it. So let's start the day with positivity. I just did 10 minutes of meditation to start to begin the day with some good exercise and to build some positivity from within. And let's see what we can do and how we can make most out of it at Srivardhan. So I have reached Srivardhan and I have checked into this hotel. Not hotel, it's a small guest house. I'll just go have lunch. I will visit some temple nearby and then come back and do some. Either I will indulge myself into some meditation or some mental health activity, and if not, then I would take rest because I'm quite tired. As subsequently for 3 days I have been traveling and visiting beaches, and it's all hustle and everything is just there was no rest at all except for the night sleep.
So I just had my lunch and came back to the room. Now I'm going to take a nap of 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to do some meditation for at least 10 minutes, and then I'm going to do inner child activities, and then I will go to the beach, have some fun, let my inner child out. I'm gonna act like a child today, and you'll see. So I'm done with the meditation now, and I also had 2 oranges, and apparently oranges are very good for brain health, which I didn't know because they are rich in vitamin C. Do Google it and also consult doctor. And now I'm going to do inner child activity. In this inner child activity I'm going to do 3 sub activities. The first one is no, wait, before I move any further, just a quick disclaimer: please do not try anything this at home or without having consulted to mental health professionals. Okay, so in this sub activities of inner child, first I'm going to do a visualization where I'm going to lie down and just visualize my younger self. I'm not going to go into the details or what exactly I'm going to visualize, but I'm just giving the rough idea. And then secondly, I'm going to head down to the beach where I'm going to let out my inner child. I'm going to set him free. I'm just going to run, dance, jump, do anything that pleases me. Then the third activity is after spending time on the beach, once the sun goes down, I will come back to the room and I'm going to write a letter to inner child, thanking him, blah blah blah. I'm not going into the details, and if you are interested, if you are intrigued by this activity called inner child, taking care of your inner child, please do consult a mental health professional. Do not try anything just by watching YouTube videos or just by googling it. Please always consult experts before you do any such things. So yeah, let's do the inner child activity 1, which is visualization. just came back from the beach and I am as usual super tired. So what I'm gonna do now is by the way, what I'm doing is I just got the curd, then I added some coffee powder to it and some turmeric powder. Since we live in India, Indian accent doesn't work here. I should probably pronounce it as turmeric, something like that. And I'm going to apply this to my face, let it sit for 10-15 minutes and go take a hot shower as usual. Sorry to interrupt, but this is giving me some kind of burning sensation. I don't know, is it because of the turmeric? It's probably because turmeric, I believe. It's not very strong, but it's giving me some kind of not some kind of, it's giving me burning sensation. So I don't know, I'm doing this for the first time, so I have no idea if I did correctly or not. And to be honest, I was supposed to get the yogurt, not the curd. I'm pretty much done with everything. Only the last activity is remaining, and that is it's a nice activity. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write in this diary from how I started this journey and how it made me feel, and also all the things that made me happy, and how differently I would have done if I had more money or maybe less money. It's just a fun little activity that I like to do. And adding to that, I would even write a thank you note to all the people that I met, to all the hotel and guest house owners, to all the drivers and the sailors and whoever, you know, they dropped me safely to the destination. This activity is for, you know, it's just to make you aware and acknowledge things and appreciate how things went, and now you're safe and you're happy and everything is just everything is just merry. So this is a fun activity that I like to do. I've been doing it quite for quite some time now, and some may find it boring, and they may not I don't know what to say, but people don't like to acknowledge things, and they don't like to talk about it. They don't like to, first of all, this thing, the writing has been, has the technology, the touch screen has taken away, has snatched that thing. So people find it really boring to write stuff, and if you ask them, yeah, hey, would you write a letter, and they'll say blah blah blah, no, I don't know. They'll start making excuses, and they would rather draft a mail, or they'll WhatsApp you, or use some app to send you the stuff. But most of my friends and the people that I meet and the acquaintance are like that. I'm speaking from experience. Anyway, so this is the last activity. This somehow contributes towards mental health, and also it contributes, to acknowledge things and how you can make it more better next time. I don't know when the next time is going to come. I'm hoping it comes real soon. Anyway, that's all for the day as well as for the vlog. And if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up by hitting this like button, and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave the comment. The CC is always welcome. The CC as in constructive criticism, where I can improve myself, the areas that are I'm lacking behind, and I would certainly like to improve, so with your help. So, and this is my very first vlog, so if I have made mistakes or please turn your blind eye to those things, and maybe go for a solo trip like I did, or I don't know, go with friends, family, whatever, and just take care of your mental health. That's the important thing right now, along with physical health and other stuff as well, right? So I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and Jai Hind.